What's up? I'm really bored, so I'm just gonna make a quick video on the Ruger Mark III. Alright, I'm extremely bored, so I'm gonna make a quick video on the Ruger Mark III and how to take it apart and reassemble it to clean it or whatever. If you're alright, so I'm a little bored. I'm gonna take the Ruger Mark III, show you guys how to disassemble it and reassemble it for cleaning or whatever if you're having problems. And if you're really having problems, grab some paper and a pen. We'll do step 1, 2, 3, blah, blah, blah. Let me find a spot to put this damn thing. Alright, that's fine. Alright, you need your magazine. Make sure you have it. Otherwise you can't take it apart. Kind of weird, but... So, step 1, load it. Load your... in the gun. Alright, step 2, cock it. You got that? Pause it, hurry up. Alright, good. Step 3, release it. Alright, write down, hurry. Step 4, pull the trigger. Step 5, get rid of the mag. Step 6. See that? Step 6, I don't know what you call it. I call it the thing. You need to pry out the, I'll use my knife. The whatchamacallit. That's what I call that thing. The whatchamacallit. I don't know what you call it. I call it the thing. Put it up sometime. But take, that's 6. See it? 7. Pull down. Okay, get rid of it. Step, 8. Might as well get rid of the bolt so it doesn't go flying when you take the upper lower part. I think we're on 9. I can't count. 9. Go ahead and pull the gun, the upper from the lower, apart. See what I'm saying? And you're done. What was that, 9 steps? Alright, let's reassemble it. This is you gotta pay attention to this part. Step 1. See the hammer there? It has to be back. Alright, reassembly. Reassembly. This is important. First part, see the hammer? Stick it straight up. You want that down, okay? If you're having any problems, pull the trigger in. It releases the sear, releases the hammer. You can move it around, whatever, shake it. Just make sure that little dingly thing there is down inside and back. So that basically, just make sure you got the damn hammer back like that, okay? All right. You all see the hammer? That's the hammer. See? Put it back the way it goes. So everybody has their hammer back, right? Good job. God damn it. All right, it's back. That's step 1. Step 2, take your bolt and put it in the hole. Yeah, that's right. You know how to do that. Step 2. Now step 3, go ahead and take the upper and the lower, and you'll figure it out. But they just go together, and you gotta put it together. You gotta push, and you gotta push pretty hard. Push together like that. Now, if your pistol's new and it hasn't been broke in, oh fuck, grab a hammer, a mallet or something, and beat the shit out of it. Cause, yeah, well, good luck anyways. Now, there go the lights again. God damn it. We got to release the sear so the hammer's free. It can fall, and you want the hammer all the way forward. So take the gun, pull the trigger, and just shake it. Yeah, shake it. All right. So the hammer will be forward. You can look actually inside, but you can't see shit. The hammer, you can't see the hammer. That's a good thing if you can't see it. Here's what it looks like if you had it wrong. See the hammer? Is that silver piece? Yeah, that's wrong. Just point the gun down, pull the trigger, and shake it like that. No hammer. Okay. All right, good job. A+. Now take your thing. Not your thing, the gun's thing, and then go ahead and put her in there. It's pretty hard. I like to hold it like this. I like to hold it all kinds of ways, really, but that's besides the point. I don't know what step we're on, dude. I'm sorry. All right, so, and put her in the hole there. There's a little little divot right in there. That's where the hammer arm, that's its home, I guess. So that you'll see. But get this thing started in its hole. Put it in the hole. Everybody knows how to do that. You gotta push pretty hard now. As long as that hammer arm was down like that and wasn't up, you're good to go. I mean, if it's not going together, don't force it, man, because you're gonna fucking break it. Now, here's how you know if you have it right. Turn the gun up. The thing right here. You see how it's. Let's see. You see that? That's not right. Nope. Nope. See, it shouldn't be like that. So you pull the trigger. And you shake that motherfucker. Shake it. Kind of play with it, you know, and then you know how to play with it. And then now watch. See how it? See that? That arm of that hammer went into that to its home that I was trying to show you earlier. See how it kind of rebounds? I mean, it's definitely, you'll know it, and then you can close it. Okay. All right, so just test it. You know, you can. Bam, fires. Put the mag in it. Stay back. Release. Bam, fires. Good luck. Bye-bye.